Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the exterior door handle from any Volvo V60 from the year 2008 and up. Today I'm working on this car, and this car is made in the year 2012, and I'll have to remove the exterior door handle in order for me to polish underneath. So to do so, doesn't matter on which side you are starting, doesn't matter if you are doing this on the driver's side or on the passenger side or on the rear side, the method and the steps are exactly the same. So to begin, what you have to do is to open the door, and right here, for example, in the rear side, you'll have to pull this rubber piece, and you'll have to put your Torx 20 inside that hole. You'll find the hole underneath that rubber piece, which is going into the little screw, which is securing the locking part of the door handle from the door. So you'll have to put your Torx 20 inside that little screw, and you'll have to undo it until you feel a little bit of resistance. So in my case, as you can see, I'm unscrewing it. And in the same way, you'll have to pull from the door handle, and with one hand you'll have to pull this part, this locking part. So as you can see, so far everything is good, but the difficult part is to remove the door handle itself. So to remove the exterior door handle on this car, and not only on this car, I think this method is working almost for Volvo S60 and so on. So what you have to do from here, after you remove the locking part, is to tighten the little screw from inside the door back. You'll have to tighten it back until you feel resistance, and then you'll have to open the door handle. You'll have to pull from the door handle to the exterior until it's not coming out anymore, and then you'll have to undo the little screw back, and it will block the door handle into the open position. So as you can see, right now I'm pulling from the door handle into the open position, and now with one hand I'm undoing the little screw. And as you can see, after I undid the little screw, the door handle is blocked into the open position, and right now you'll have to pull it to the right and up, and it will come out from its place. So this is the only method which will help you to remove the exterior door handle on these Volvo cars. If you try to do it otherwise, you are risking to break the door handle, and also you are risking to pull from the exterior door handle out, but the locking part from inside the door will go back in, and you won't be able to install it back in the door. So I recommend all to follow my advice. You'll have to tie the screw, you'll have to pull from the exterior door handle, and then you'll have to undo the screw until it will lock it in place. So as you can see, after you put it back, you'll have to tie the screw back, and it will automatically close the door handle back on the door. So as you can see, now the door handle is closed. From here, you'll have to tie the screw back in, and then you'll have to undo it again to make place for the locking part of the door handle, and only in this way you will be able to install it back on the car. As you can see, I placed the locking part of the door handle back on the door, and now I'm tightening the screw back until I feel that it's not going in anymore, and that's it. From here, you'll have to understand what I told you in this video, you'll have to follow my advice, and you will be good to go. Thank you all for watching. This is how to remove the exterior door handle from any Volvo V60 or S60. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.